in the market. And so we're going to do open up a prayer before we get started. Heavenly Father, we just thank you for this day and for the breath of life. We thank you for Jesus Christ. And we thank you, Father God, for opening the eyes of our understanding and giving us insights into the market to show us where the winning trades are, to make them and to maximize gains for your kingdom. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay. Oh, okay. My computer is dragging here. Okay. Let's go ahead and share my screen. Share the screen. We'll start off with my market heat map. Let's start off the quantum map. Is that up and running? Yes. Let's go ahead and share and share screen two. If I get some sound, screen two and share. And let's do it. Okay. All right. Non-farm payroll day is coming up soon. It's tomorrow. And so we'll see what the market is actually doing now with my market heat map. Heat map, everything is gray. Nothing is so nothing's looking there. Let's check the economic calendar though. Always want to check that out and see what's going on. I'm going to go to see if it'll work a little faster here. We'll go to Forex Factory. All right, no. Well, let's go to my market heat map. This is the quantum heat map, and everything's just running a little slow. Too many tabs open. Let me go ahead and maybe right click, and close all tabs to the right. And that's okay. That should lighten the load, and we can go to my market heat map. My market heat map is our tool for finding opportunities, especially after the market opens up a little bit. We're still in the Sydney market. Dollar Swiss is at the top of the heat map. Aussie is at the back of the heat map. Let's check any news that's going to pop up later on today. And looks all clear. We do have like non-farm payroll again on Friday, but we have lots of Chinese data coming up in 3 hours. Probably beyond our scope. Balance of trade, imports and exports. Chinese data usually impacts the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar more. So we don't have to worry about that. We did have jobless claims come out less than expected, 199,000 versus 202. We did see the US dollar rally and starting to rally now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the samurai sword. Let's see what's breaking out there. I'm going to maybe close some more of these tabs that may be dragging us along here. And let's go ahead and check to all Forex and see if we have any breakouts. They're all not given a very great grade. Aussie dollar, just chop, lots of chop. And I would expect to be a lot of chop considering that we have NFP coming up. I did venture into a trade. We had a falling wedge divergence, and actually got a hold of that. I'm going to close that out for $86.40. Okay. Because we had this drop, a really nice drop out of this is the New York opening range breakout. New York one was pretty nice. Let's go ahead and look at Sydney. In Sydney, we did have fake breakouts on lower momentum. We have lower momentum there. So I would expect a breakout here on the British pound. But let's look at the US dollar index. And we can see that the US dollar index is hanging on at 12,687. This is a basket of currencies versus the US dollar. And let me go ahead and make sure I got my chat box. If you guys see something, say something. Something that you're in. Okay. We would expect this is like an Adam and Eve pattern. We got your Adam here, and we got your Eve right here. And so usually price will fall lower. So we can probably see during Tokyo, we might have maybe some of an ABC correction in the US dollar. But if you zoom out on the dollar to like in my bulls versus bears, I was looking at this daily chart. Actually, if you look on the 4-hour chart, we have an Adam and Eve pattern in reverse. This is our Adam, this is our Eve. It looks like price wants to break out from here and go higher on the US dollar. So I'm supposing that if this dollar index rally continues, that we should see at least 12,713 in the US dollar index, which would make the Aussie and Kiwi and pound dollar all would sink. Tokyo is usually counter trend with low volume during the session. And so we expect that we might see like a little flip flop where our Tokyo session will go one way and the London session, London, New York, will switch it back the other way. So we're probably looking at counter trend rallies against the dollar for the Tokyo session. So if that's said, we might look at the euro long for the Tokyo session. But let's see if that even bears fruit. I mean, you can see almost a double top on the 4-hour chart, but we probably get some type of rebound during this time period. And this is our and look, we have big push down and sideways consolidation. So we might see some type of a rally, some type of a Fibonacci retracement, some profit taking from the bears who took it down. So we might see some type of rebound. 38% retracement is 115.32. So I would expect some type of a rally from there. I mean, what would it be? Do I got a cross here? Well, I go from here to here. No, can't. From here to here. Oh, can't do that. Okay, let's do some ruler. Let's say this broke out. It's like 7.6 pips. So this might be one of those scalping kind of things where I mean, we could go a little higher. That's 12.5 if we get to 50% retracement from there. So look for a bounce higher to one of these areas here will be a good targets for the euro. And again, we don't have any, and let's take a look at our 30-minute chart too. And you see we got maybe a little crossover. Stochastics is moving up, but price isn't following along. Oof. I'll move. Okay. Our 30-minute chart might be getting we're hugging the 200 simple moving average there, and it looks like we have maybe let's move out to an hour, and we've actually have a bigger downtrend. We go out to a 4-hour. We actually in a bigger downtrend, but I think that Tokyo will give us a little bit of a rally, a little fake out rally. And then the true direction will happen during London or the London or New York session after the release of non-farm payroll. But let's trade what we see. Let's maybe walk through some of the pairs and things and see what we can find. We had some good luck on gold yesterday. Some good trades there. Able to knock some levels out on the spreadsheet with the gold. So let's go ahead and move from the euro. We did the pound, and again, big pushes down with no momentum. So counter trend move probably underway. And we could go to our 4-hour chart just to go a little bit bigger. And we can see that this thing is really drooping. Well, okay, we're going to mute that. Okay. And they can call me back after the show. Okay. All right. So this is a 4-hour chart. And looks like we got a little bit of a little rebound going on right there, right? From the top of the high to the low. Then let's go down to the 5-minute chart and see what it looks like, right? So now we have those 4-hour lines on our 5-minute chart. And we can see that we are starting to moving on up. And gonna close outside that box. We'll be cooking with gas. Let's look at gold. Gold has broken out and closed. So I'm actually going to go long gold. And let's do this thing. It's going to be one. It might be the gold show again. 0.1. Okay. Okay. So our stop loss. That's going to be a big stop loss there, right? Gold. All that glitters. Yeah. Let's zoom out and see. Okay, we have our high. I like using Fibonacci's for targets. Start going for a high to a low and trying to score at least to the next couple of Fibonacci's. This one's right here. It's 88. And the 50% retracement is at 42.6376. Okay. So so I'm just gonna go for the gold here. And we're up $2.30. Yeah, breakout north about the Samurai Sword. Samurai Sword takes the first 30-minute to high and low the 30 minutes before the opening of the market. We're looking at I believe this is Tokyo market, and we'll see if if once price breaks out, we look for follow through and continuation of price to continue higher. Again, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod. Welcome to the $50,000 to $50,000 challenge, where we take small accounts and scale them to large accounts, one trade at a time. And so our goal is to trade well, trade according to our rules, and be consistent, following our spreadsheet. And you can either look over my shoulder and take my trade, or if you see something else, feel free to type it in the chat box, and and let's all take a look at what you're doing. I remember a skit from Saturday Night Live with Chico Escuela. It was Garrett Morrison playing Chico Escuela. He says, baseball has been very, very good to me. I say, gold has been very, very good to me. So I trade gold. Because it's why it's been very, very good to me. Gold currently traded 4,245.65 by 95. And so let's go.
Bye.
All right. There we go. $3, $3, 3.50, 3.60, $5. Let's go. Go for the gold. He could go all the way. Oh, back down to 90 cents. Litecoin. I guess we put that alarm on Litecoin a while ago. And oh, what's going on there? We'll take a look at it and then South side break. I don't know what the pip value is. I never let's try it. Okay. Well, we get short on a break. Stop loss. 16 says this might not make a whole lot. And let's try 10 or 9. 9 to make it 10, right? All right. $1.71. So if we went, okay. What if we went? I don't know. Okay. All right. So $17. And see if we can make $34. 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay. Well, this is Litecoin, a crypto, and let's see if it does something similar. I mean, let me back it out a little bit, see what was going on there. I mean, we could actually get down in here to 47, 43, but we'll sell for that. Up $2. Hey, not bad, right? Woohoo! Okay, let's go back to gold. Gold's doing pretty good. Gold is clocking. We're $5 in the money. $5. Let's go. So high time frame. This is a 30-minute. Nope, 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 nope. Go back. Make this. This is our. Oh yeah, yeah. Make it real space. Oof. Don't know how to do that. Stretch it out a little bit. Stretch it out. Yeah. Right. Okay. And let's put on our momentum. Steve's momentum. I like the baseball score. Oh my god. Whoa. -2. All right, there we go. That's all right. I think that's what he said. So 2. Bulls 2, Bears 0. Top of the first inning. Looks like we got a base hit from the Bulls. Breaking out of our consolidation, our samurai sword. We got a nice breakout. Litecoin's doing something too. We go to Las Vegas, you go to the sports book and to watch. It's a great place to watch a game because they have all the screens of all the sporting events. They have, they'll have hockey and baseball and basketball, blah, 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 whatever is in season at the time. And you're just like looking around. Wow, that's almost what you need here. Like we had a sports book, sports bar Forex bar. I thought about that, like a Forex cafe where you came in here and place trades and grab an adult beverage and have like finger foods. We're up $7, 660. Yeah, and also there's a there's a Fibonacci relationship too. We have a high, a low, and a high, and a pullback, and we definitely can use Fibonacci expansions, extensions, connecting the low to that high point of like 4,251.57, and then dragging it down to the low that we had here at 4,233.02. Then you actually have a 100% expansion target at 4,261.81, which is our typical, which is coincides with the 50% retracement. So I could actually maybe move it a little bit in the middle of that, kind of like split the difference between the 100% expansion, the 50% expansion retracement. Wow, that disappeared really fast. It's like, Greg, leave stuff alone. It was going fine until you move that thing. 4,245.40 by 71. We're back in the money again. Or you'll see, I'm going to go back to, oh, no. I can keep that on the 5-minute. 5-minute chart here, and we'll put the 30-minute chart there. 30-minute chart still chopping around. But as the market warms up, as Asia comes back online, we should see some pretty good moves in the next 30 minutes or so. If you're watching on YouTube, I hope if you get this is your chance to see behind the scenes of the $50,000 to $50,000 challenge. You get to see how I interact with the other traders, my charts. You get to look at some of the AI tools that we're using to find trading opportunities and the indicators that we use. And if you'd like to be a VIP and join us live, you can go to school.com/50 to $50,000 on the School network, and you can join us $199 for a month. That's 2 hours a day, 3 days a week, 6 hours a week, 24 hours of live trading with me, plus our chat group on School, and a bunch of videos and bonus material, indicators, the trader's diary, things that can help you become a successful trader. This is a live account challenge. Okay, this is not a demo account challenge when you're fiddling around on a demo, wasting time. You're actually using a live account and your own live account, which means you keep all your profits to yourself. They're your profits. And you get to spend them or withdraw them anytime you want during the challenge. We just have that when we give you a strategy that has been used by millions of traders around the world to generate thousands of millions of dollars in money in profits. So one strategy, one methodology. We use a spreadsheet, the $50,000 spreadsheet, and should have it up here. It's in Gaza. Okay, how did I get a whole new tab? Did not want a whole new tab. Okay. FTFK. And then we can go here. This not the pretty looking one. Start at $50 and we just start moving up, increasing our lot size. And keep going from that for our trade for you. This can be one trade, be a trading session, be a trading day, but the whole goal is to move down the spreadsheet as you increase in profits. If you have losses, then you start actually going back and trading with smaller position sizes. Okay. So that's our spreadsheet. Let me get back to our trade. So I'm backed up a little bit. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Let's see our other crypto trade. And it's still moving down, but so we're up 8 cents. There we go, 2 cents. Okay. 18 cents, 28 cents. Kind of plopping around there, right? And sometimes I use the dotted line to split in the samurai sword to like maybe take some of my risk off and say, let me risk maybe $11.53, half the range, right? We can also check what's going on with the Australian dollar. Not a lot going on there. All drawings, but yeah, okay. And Kiwi, pound Kiwi has a breakout. I mean, they had a lot of breaks, a lot of whipsaws. Euro Kiwi was doing something crazy. Southside break with a small doji candle, so that doesn't necessarily want to come out of the box cleanly. I like to see stuff come out of the box cleanly, and this hasn't come out of the box cleanly either. We can actually just go back to our. Let's look at let's organize this here. Okay. Dollar index is trying to climb up. Dollar Swiss, nothing. Silver, what a spike. Dropped right back down in there. Dollar yen. Got a dollar. I'm gonna close my $1. that didn't do it really good right there. Right. It's pound dollar. Trying to climb out, not there yet. Euro dollar. Biding its time. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi's got a couple of hits against the 50-period moving average. Wall drawings. What's going on there? But I'm kind of bullish against this really big wick. And we've been making some higher lows. So and we've got like a pseudo double bottom here. Seems like this is just kind of like bait. Oh, gold. Let's go back to gold. Go, baby, go. Let's go. Go. We got a breakout. Bulls 3, Bears 0. $4,000. This is an indicator developed by our VIP founder member, Steve, using his programming skills and AI to create this momentum indicator. Green up, red down. He knows me. I love colors and shapes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and I did take the same trade in my live account. Yeah. Won't come over. Yeah. Gold. So 22, 25, 30. I'm gonna take it. Take it. Oh my goodness. It's still. I think I got slipped. I'm gonna take this. Yeah. And the crowd goes crazy. All right, 15-second chart. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah, we'll pull back is the trend. All right. So we got some action.
Bye.
All right, all right, all right. This has got like a mixture of, especially during the Tokyo session, you might do a little bit more scalping than samurai, and it's like okay, but that's my my line there. And come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant. They are using ICT or blah, blah, blah. No, this is not any of that. We laugh at that stuff at the brokerage firm.
I have to be honest, I am scalping more than anything.
I shh.
I got out. I got out in that retraction, and I'm waiting for it to get back in with you.
There you go.
Yeah, I can't help myself.
I know it's hard. It's like, well, there we go.
Bye bye bye!
The ratings are higher with scalping.
Yeah, there's just too many opportunities there. You know that it's hard to pass by and wait on the wait on it to climb back up. You know,
Right, right, right.
but
I mean, if you get you know sometimes you get a day where it just keeps going, it doesn't. That's
oh yeah,
right, and
that's a
those are
great day.
great.
Yeah, absolutely.
But they're not they're in the minority, not the majority.
Yeah, what 20% of the time?
Right, 20% of the time they break out, and 80% of the time it's like it's combat. You know, it's like hand to hand combat with the. See, look at that, look at that.
You know, patience is really one of the best qualities one can have to do this to do this trading. Really, you've got to
Yeah,
be patient and wait for setups. You know.
right. Yeah, you gotta wait for your pitch. You know, so sometimes you might be standing at the bat and you look kind of dumb with the ball's going by you, but it's like that's not my pitch.
Yeah,
When you get your pitch and you smack it,
you get a home run.
yeah, it's like t-ball. Like, just put it right there. Put it right there. See, maybe now I get my t-ball out right.
Some of the funniest videos are when they're trying to hit a t-ball and they can't even hit it once.
Right, it's like it's sitting right there. It's not going anywhere. Just
Right.
it's just hit it right here, right here. Put it right
You're thinking
here.
maybe baseball isn't the one for you.
Let's see it be a bigger ball maybe. Okay, so creepy crawling around here at the 4,247.34,
Yeah.
looking for some more bull action.
You know, my compass chart is still showing a lot of
North,
green. Yeah.
yeah, you look at the third, yeah, the 5 minute is up. This is like a little pause, little break, little bathroom break before it keeps going. The whole Asia. Have you observed that during? Because I don't really stay up for London that often, but do you often see London turn Asia around whatever direction Tokyo is
Yes.
going?
Yes, and that can be disconcerting. You know, because you expect it to keep on in that trend, and here comes the market opening, and you get a reversal. You know,
Yeah, because the fade.
and then you don't really know if the reversal is going to be strong enough to be a true reversal, or it's going to go on and get back in the trend it was in. You know, that's where you know we have to put all of our learning and intuition, patience into figuring it out.
Exactly. And I, zooming out, going out that 4 hour chart, almost kind of like see like what are they trying to do? Kind of like almost like 4D chess, gotta be a step ahead,
Hmm.
Oh, look at this. Going back to the 38% retracement. I mean, how far? Okay, this is our breakout. Let me take this fib to the base of the breakout. We're maybe overdue for a correction. 38% retracement is that 4,243.22. So we get a little bit of a pullback there.
It's on the border of a channel, and I could bounce back up right here.
Yeah. Yeah, you get the channel border and the other 38%. So you got that little zone area where it could get the and you see that periodic after a big run, it takes a dip. And this could afford us an opportunity to put another slab on the grill. 5 minute chart still says bulls 2, bears 0. So
I'm seeing a tiny little green candle on my 30-second.
yeah, and I'm probably will put another slab in there. Let's take a look at the dollar index. Look channels for a little bit here. Dollar index. Which one do we want? DXY. DXY is up. Then it was up, and then it's down. And let's go to 5 minute. This it's overbought on the 5. Maybe it'll drop and push everything back up again. That's the DXY, US dollar index. It should be about the same, right? Euro, nothing. Stopped. Just stopped. New Zealand dollar did drop out, but again, we have these higher lows. And Aussie looks like it's trying to perk up.
Gold is perking up a little.
All right, let's turn the channel. Let's flip to that. Hey, look at that. And we've got double the position on, right?
That's right.
More fun. I mean, if we just got a simple 1-to-1 move, taking the height of our rectangle or samurai sword there and project it out. Well, 1-to-1 takes us to here. What is that? $92.
Yeah.
Better than a sharp stick in the eye.
Yeah, that's almost 5 pips.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Ooh, little bit of a. Let's get back to the 15-second chart. That's where all the action is. Okay. Are we fulfilling our ABC? Or 4,245.47, 45.00. Uh-oh. Touching that 200. Oh, pushing through the 200. Rejected. Bye. Fire stepping in.
Bye bye bye!
We need a little help. Maybe some electric shock. Hey, sorry, missed you today. Are you available for a quick session tomorrow afternoon at 10 a.m.? Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. 10 a.m. Let's see. 10 a.m. my time is 7. Ooh, okay. 7. How about 4? Yeah, let's do after 4 p.m. Your time would be like 1 my time. That'll be good.
Mhm. That'll be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Is 5 okay? I'm just
Okay.
trying to. Is
Yeah,
5 even better?
Yeah, 5's even better. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. All right. So I'll put in for 5 because I just thought about it. I'll be probably just getting back to that 4. Okay.
Okay. Cool. We're get your computer squared away.
Yes, I am almost set up. I did something on my trading view where I moved the chart that I programmed for the indicators, and I don't know how to merge them back together. So I'll show it to you tomorrow. But yeah, we got the windows and the parallel. So we did do the windows and parallel.
All right.
That, and I've been doing some paper trading. So
Okay.
not too bad. I just don't know exactly how my orders are. The percentage is really small that I'm gaining if I win a trade. So I'm just trying to figure out like how do I change that, or I'll show it to you tomorrow so you can see. But yeah, so I just want to get some clarity on that part.
Hey, that's awesome. Can't
Thank
wait.
you.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah, but I'm having fun with it. I'm like, oh, just I'm having fun with it. I think I'm getting the hang of it.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah, we'll get you squared away and we'll do some maybe some demo and some simulation trading too. Introduce you to our simulator.
Yeah, can't wait.
All right. All right. Talk to you later.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Awesome. Oh, look, breakout, you go. Oh, $13. Go, go, go. $14. I think we're gonna take it. And the crowd goes crazy. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it again because we're greedy bastards. Let's get back in there. Hit it. Pay me. Pay me. But ideally, if you got long on the break like we did earlier and held your trade, it would still be up, right? Oh, pound dollar's moving out too. Oh yeah, look at that. Pound dollar. You go, baby. Did it close though? I mean, one more candle. Got a wick. We got a candle at the opening range high. What is I mean, this has been silent. Oh, I think I had it on mute. Oh, there we go. Where's sound? Oh, don't. Okay, all forex. We got a pound yen. Ooh, this is pound yen is good. Let's Kenji says pound this pound yen. And we have the yen pairs, pound yen. Oh, it's coming alive. We have a fake breakout north here. Didn't it close outside and then it dropped. It likes it though. We're at the bottom of the box. Where's Kevin? I don't know if anyway, I'm gonna put an alert. I'm gonna right click the line and place an alert for pound yen. And it may be something where Kenji kind of like sees something setting up somewhere, but according to AI Steve, nah, it's -2. Let's go back to gold. Like gold on fire. And I'm up $7. All right.
Bye bye bye!
There we go. She could go all the way. $13.10, $14.10. MT4 account's going up too. Yeah. I only want to take that $17 off. Ah, no. 15, no, close. Ah. Stupid thing starts messing around here, right? All right. All right. Too many tabs open and they start. I'm gonna close all y'all's. I'm gonna close all y'all's here. And I hit it again. Oh, you know why? You got all these tabs. And close all these tabs. You ever like find like 100 tabs are opened up behind another window? It's like, oh, my computer's like going, see what you're doing to me? You're working me too hard. I'm going on strike. Yeah, my. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm editing this video too. No. Do you want to save? No, don't want to save that. Hey, $25. Ooh, take that. Take that. Pay me. Ah, get back in there again. Why'd you do it? Yeah, MT4. Well, we'll take $10 here. Let's do that. How about that? Take that. I. Why does this thing want to resize? Why do you want to resize? And the crowd goes crazy. Aussie Cat. Check wants to look at Aussie Cat. Okay. I'm wrestling with gold right now. It's like, got back in. We got this pound dollar. It's down $20, but hitting gold. Oh man, I'm at $800 on this other account. Dang. Okay, we're moving down the spreadsheet. Moving on up. We're moving on down. All right. Come on. All right. Well, okay. Aussie Swiss. That's on this one. Yeah. Big long wick, like that fuse. Shh, boom. Boom shaka laka laka. And the old high is at 57.18. Was that 5 pips? Spam from Alabama. Spamabamba. Spam from Alabama. Say that 5 times fast. Yeah, I mean, you get one candle close. Do we close? Yeah, we got a candle above, and yeah, that's a buy. That would be a buy. All right. I look at the stop losses. How much though? It's a big stop loss based on the range. So I'll be careful. I'd be careful. Yeah, I don't like having the range that big. I kind of pull the trigger without really figuring out. You usually want that stop loss to be the range between the opening range high and low to be like 8 or 7 or 6, not 14. So I would have ruled this one out. So, okay, back to gold. Oh, what's our 30 38% retracement, 4,254, which is not very many dollars left to go before we might hit a potential resistance area. So it's like driving a car super fast and then hitting a wall. And we're not that far from the wall. So I might maybe want to get out at the wall, right? So I'll set my take profit there. It's like, all right. So if it hits it before I can get a hold of it, I can't even see it. That's $800. No, that's oh, we're getting a little bit of a pop there. Yeah, okay, we get $25 out of that. I think we'll be pretty done with this until if we break and price closes above 4,254.10, this red line, then we can roll the 42.63 and be in high cotton, right? But we're nibbling, and the score is 3-0. Bulls versus Bears. Bears 0, Bulls 3. Oh, did we get an alert from Pound Yen? Yes, I think we did. No. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Go back to goals. Go. Oh, go, baby. You go. You go. You go. Pay me. Pay me. Oh, let me get the 15-second chart. Oh, red candle. No, no, Mr. Red Candle. No, 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 no. We can do it. A little electric shock here. A warning shot, maybe. There you go. Now you're going the right way. Big one. Monkey. Pay me. Pay me now. Hey, look, Mom, no hands. $12. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that too. Yeah. I'm gonna take that. Ooh, look at that. 3-0. Still. Momentum oscillator. I think we did pretty good. Okay, it's a 6. Yeah, the 6. Not the 7th yet. Okay.
Hey, Doc,
Uh-huh.
you remember this song?
Yeah, it's like, yeah. I remember that. Make me break out my platform shoes.
I like to put that on sometimes when I'm trading.
Yeah, there you go. Well, so there we go. $46 moves us down the down the spreadsheet down to $803. So that's not bad. Not bad. Try go to the bank and try to ask for that. Oh, can I have like a 800% return, please? It's like, you crazed. Are you crazy? Oh, you're probably one of those elite traders university people. Of those $50,000 challenge people. Yeah, so where am I on the spreadsheet? This is the old spreadsheet. This is the new one. Hey, I'm at day 13, baby. Woohoo! No, not that, not yet. I'm between 12 and 13, 885, and I got 803. So I'm still in 12. So not bad. So we're gonna go. We're gonna take you lower, low. I'm gonna go low. No. We gotta go. We want to get down the spreadsheet. We don't want to be high in the spreadsheet. We want to be low, right? Anyway. Oh, glad I got out of that bad boy. Yeah, that one that one was staying. Like, see, small body candles consolidation. It really wasn't moving that much. So I said I'd probably bail. Look at that. Look at that. Bulls 2, Bears 0. But this could give us a reset in the market that allows us to maybe get back in at a lower price. Right? I'm gonna remove all these lines, remove everything, start from scratch. Take this as our high. High to low. Low.
We need Larry Graham for that verse.
gotta go low. Baritone, right? So 30% retracement, 4,245.28. We're bouncing at the 23% retracement, though. I am seeing a little bit of green there. Well, we could try that. Hey, we're making money. Well, that's not a shock. Close that up. Close all tabs. Oops. Okay, snipping tool, close that. And close this. Here we go. Mama wants a new pair of red bottom shoes. Let's go. Got a nice bounce from the 23% retracement. Bounce off the 200 simple moving average. Got a nice stochastics hook from below 20, from oversold. And we have an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Let's go. We're up $6.40, $8, $11.60, $12.30, $8.80. Come on up. Say, make your mind up when you come on up or come on down. Air 1, beer 2, seer 3 later. Oh, Aussie Cat. Oh, I'm sorry, Chuck. I looked at the wrong one. I looked at my mistake. I'm trying to do too many things at once. Let's go. Aussie Cat. I said Aussie Swiss. My mistake. My bad. Ooh, not that one. Oh, going too fast. There it is. Oh, 5-minute chart. All right. Oh, actually, let's return back to the scene of the crime. And what is that range? 54, 50, 54, 50, 54. Yeah, that's in range. I might take that on there like that, right? So then you're, oh, wrong one. No, stop losses there. That's it. You see, that's perfect. $4.21. Maybe push it maybe $5, maybe, right? And then when the old, I guess I put a Fibonacci on this before, right? Yeah, more in the money. Good call, Chuck. More in the money. $11. That's a 2-to-1. That's a 2-to-1 right there. Risk 5 to make 11. Oh yeah, you've got the falling wedge. The falling wedge. Let me back this out. In fact, let me redo these lines. Remove all drawings, and then go back. Let me go. Give me a 1 hour chart. Yeah, that's yeah. Oh yeah. This is good, Chuck. Take that high to this low. We're breaking out from consolidation. 38% retracement is at 98.74. And we're already in the money. In the money a little bit, right? That's perfect. Entry, stop loss. You're good to go. Roger. Oh, gold, but I had it to gold up $16. I'm gonna take that. I got $10 over here. Take that. I'll take that. Take that. The crowd goes crazy. You're welcome. All right. Small body candle. Inside day. Maybe a little bit of the pullback. Air 1, beer 2. All the situations can come out of there, maybe. I want to pull back. I want to buy at a discount. Can I buy one rib for $1? What can I get for $1? Can you just pour it in my hand? You charge me for the cup? Will you pour it in my hand? Oh my God. Chris Rock is so funny in that skit. Come on, pull back. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give me the discount. Yes. I want to buy it at a 50% discount, half off, 61% discount. Oh. Can I get a small body red candle? Okay, Oh. Bought the wick. Pay me. I was like running in front of a freight train and grabbing $1. Oh, this spread didn't narrow out my platform. I'm still MT4 platform. I'm still negative. It should be positive. I got long gold 42.50. 42.50. The spread must have widened out or something. And now you have an A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Blast off, baby. 100% expansion at 4,252.34. I'll take it. Free money right there. 25.20. Going the wrong way though. So we're trading the strongest one on the list. Gold is up there at 0.23%, but trying to pull back. Ooh, a retest of the 4,000 and break below. There's a big get bit of a retrace. Seven, eight, we're getting into the Fibonacci's of last resort, the 786, 78% of the move. Buyers stepping in at the 200 simple moving average. Penetration and close below. Uh-oh. Long wick. Blown out the low. Okay, we need to get out of this. We need to go. Bail. Something's going on. Something is going on. We're having a change of sentiment all of a sudden. Yeah, we're just gonna bail on this. Okay. Well, it tried to do an ABC and then like, nah, blew out the low. But that's not bad though. All drawings, because maybe it's doing something like this: 100% expansion, 42, 45, 20. It's trying to shoot for. Let's see if it bounces from there. Tag, you're at. Look for it. Trend line break, color change. That 100% expansion, very key level. Ooh. It's trying. Oh no. Stopped out. No. Okay, what? Close out. No. Wow. Okay, what's going on with the dollar? Dollar is going nuts. What's going on here? Dollar's shooting up. Yeah, dollar is. Just check the news. When you see stuff going on like this, usually something's going on in the dollar. In the global, something bad is happening somewhere. Oh. Okay. No. No, let me go over to let's try Bloomberg. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Well, okay. Should have like a news feed somewhere. Whatever. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. Let's see. All right, CNN maybe. No, there's nothing major, no headlines going on that I'm seeing. Usually maybe like there's like an explosion or something, but I'm not seeing anything. My market heat map would have a news feed too. I'm gonna check the news feed there. Oh, no. Let's see. And log in. Log in. See, everything's running so slow. Okay, log in. And stay logged in. Stay logged in. Trader tools and financial news stream. There we go. And remember, great one. You want a good 500-to-1 broker. Ox is great. And depending on where you live, if you live in the Americas, then you can go ahead and open an account with Ox. Okay. Okay, here we go. Forex and stock, or Forex. Yen intervention won't fix Japan. Like with the destabilize the treasury market, metals rally, Trump and Union reinforcing bull case. No, okay, no, there's nothing major going on. Just dollar is shooting up. So let's look at dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen is yeah. Look at that break. Look at that. That just broke actually. Broke and closed. I mean, didn't really this one closed slightly outside. I mean, we could let's go stop loss there. $7. $7.20. And let's see if we can go for 2 times that and see if we get 14. 14.40. 14.59. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if the dollar is shooting up, don't fight the Fed. Don't fight the dollar. I didn't think it would shoot up this soon, though. So the other trade we have is the we do have Aussie CAD and Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss was my bad, and it didn't really do anything. It spiked up and then okay. Okay, so we've got a kind of a pull, but I'm gonna close this out for $1.23 loss. I don't like how big the stop loss is. If I'm wrong on this, like $15. But Aussie CAD should be. It broke north and then turned around too along. I think the dollar is having an effect on everything. Let's go to Aussie dollar. I'm just gonna let that. Let's try. Everything's kind of turning around. Aussie south side break. This looks like it'd be a fake break, but we don't have a closed candle outside the box. This has not closed yet. We still have another, say, 8:19. Got another minute. We got another 40 seconds, 30 seconds. Yeah, that dollar came out of nowhere. And that sometimes happens, you know. You got to maybe somebody doing some type of liquidity operation, looking for stops. Here we go. Next candle. And pound yen's breaking out. Yeah, okay. We'll take pound yen. How about that? Whoa. I had a million clip on there. Okay. All right. Let's rock and roll here, okay? $6.31. Okay. We should close it and reopen it with a 10K lot. You know what? We're gonna take our $50. Climb. And there we go. $9.22. And that's, for pound yen, it's you gotta give it a little bit of space, a little bit of breathing room. Oh, something went off. Yeah. So let's back it up, see where this was. We're climbing looks like we're climbing out of a hole. A big hole. Oops, I move all these drawings here. What was that? The peak of this week? 219.70. We'll take a fib from that peak to the low. We're actually sitting at and then we'll drop down to a 5-minute chart there. Well, that's going to give us $7. That's not going to be a whole lot. This is the next Fibonacci. There is a 50%. That's a kind of a long distance there. Maybe we can go half that, right? So half 56 to 35 is 21 pips. Half of 20 was like 10. So like 25. What was that? 30, 23. I don't like that. Yeah, I like that. How about that? What's dollar yen doing? Dollar yen, 19 cents in the hole. I'm short yen. Or Aussie CAD. Or Aussie CAD was stopped out. So we had a nice break there. The 50, the 200 is above the 50. That was kind of bearish too. Thought maybe we could overcome it, but it didn't. Right. In fact, it's closed below. I actually did take it short. Right. And put my stop loss right there. So risk $5. And it failed to the north side. South side break might have been the true move. And let's try to get $9 out of it or $10 out of it, right? So sometimes the stop can tell us a whole lot. We can gain some information from our stop. Learn that maybe we need to go in the other direction, maybe. So again, we took on the break. We had nice several closing candles above the samurai sword. And then price turned and dropped, stopped us out. But this could be the real direction price wants to go. We might get maybe 2 or 3 times, we might even go farther than that, right? In trend. I mean, we could get down. I mean, we get this far, we could get to the old low, right? So we can make almost 3 or 4 times what we lost on that stop loss. And that sometimes happens. You have fake move, and then the move. In fact, based on the Steve indicator here, -3, Bears 3, Bulls 0. We could be in for a nice ride. Pound yen though, let's see what's going on there, and it's kind of turning around too, or not. I mean, small inside day closing candle is a sign of weakness. Not a lot of strength. You want to see candles carrying or stacking out of the box, not kind of retreating. Dollar CAD didn't do anything. Euro Aussie broke out. That's a nice one. So you've got a candle stacking outside. If you got long here, how far are we away? Okay, $7. Can we get $15 out of it? Maybe 16 out of it. If this continues, I mean, all right. Yeah, there's a 30% retracement right there. That'll be really cool if it got there. That'll be $22.17. There's a gap down here, so we might come back and fill the gap. That'd be pretty sick, man. We'll get 1 minute charts pulling back. Anytime you get these little breakout to get profit taking, micro profit taking, right? That gives you those little pullbacks. We can probably see it in the 15-second chart. So you can see here where we get the peak out, but then immediately sellers come in and they just start hitting it, sell, right? Until it reaches a level and then it starts to turn around again. We get oversold on our stochastics. Price starts heading back up. Wow. That's a kind of a big spread, 91 by 93. This has 92 by 92. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. We get some nice follow through with the candles. And Euro Aussie has a tendency of moving in the same direction as the US dollar. Well, let's go. Good. Pull back That drippy pullback. Like the wet paint pullback. The fifth from high to low. 38% retracements at 163.90. If it bleeds past that, I probably want to be out of it. I'll put stop loss. Oh, yes, I got stop loss all the way down to the bottom of the range. You want stuff to have like momentum. Yeah, like that. Let me just move this out of the way. Oh, long wicks. Wicked wicks. Ooh, nasty wick. Nasty bar after a wick. Right down to the 38%. We need some buyers to step in. Who's buying? Need some big hedge fund institution to jump in there and bail us out. Typically, buyers come in at the 38% retracement to take prices higher. Oh, green candle. You know what? I'm tired of you, you know? Need to go up. It's alive. It's alive. Frankenstein, right? Frankenstein's monster. Get my clear the defibrillator. Clear. Trying to resuscitate this thing. Resuscitate the bull. The bull's like laying there going, ah. Oh. Aren't you glad to have tools over here, you know? Like they gotta read the handbook. The handbook says price comes with a 38% retracement. The buyers should step in. Except this guy here, he comes in here. Oh, we're supposed to sell it. It's like, no, going the wrong way now. Ah. It's like a Tyrannosaurus Rex in what's this thing? Jurassic Park, Lost World. Long wick touched at the 200 simple moving average. There we go. I'm trying to be nice. Okay. Is just struggling with a 38% retracement. Come on. You can do it. Between the 200 and the 38. The accent 238s. All right. So, the 8 o'clock money train, not much of a train. It's like a like a train wreck. $3.10. I don't want to play this anymore. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah. And everyone else is out too. It's like, I'm not I'm not gonna stay in this. Are you gonna stay in this? Nah. Now we're coming back down in there. Hey Lisa. Didn't know. We got 6 people online. We got Kevin's in the room. Okay. All right. All right. So not much after our gold rush. We haven't really seen much action here. It's like, did gold come back up? No, that was my break, and then we dropped even lower. We're back inside the range. We had a really nice clean breakout, and then we went up, and we went back down. Move all drawings here. Let's when in doubt, let's go back here to Samurai Scanner. Check all Forex Tokyo session. And everything is just not showing. It's non-farm payroll tomorrow or today. Friday, first Friday of every month. It's well expected for the US to create more jobs. Oh, did we get tweezer bottoms on that Euro Aussie? I mean, is this flat? Is this nothing? Look at that. This gold breaking down would get a sell signal if we close below 4.234, the bottom of the range, but we came all the way back inside of the range. In fact, we could have shorted it from there and did just as well, right? Well, we did exit there though, right? I mean, that's the 161.8% expansion target. Yeah. Okay. Right. Dollar yen. This nothing moving sideways. Down $1.26. And pound yen down $1.89. And look at this loop-de-loop, right? Aussie CAD loop back inside the box. And we're down $3.21 on it. Do we come back out of this? Looks like it may want to drop. But we're not getting clean. I mean, look at this. Break south, break back in. Non-farm payroll shenanigans. This would make your car sick. Euro Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Another dollar CAD. Didn't even try to get up. The Euro Aussie is doing something right now. Just enough to shake you out. Hey, look at those long wicks. Yeah. It tells you there's not a lot of liquidity in the market too. If you go back to my market heat map, trader tools, and look at Forex liquidity. I mean, it's the liquidity is like flat. That's liquidity in the whole market. Pound Aussie, a little bit of a breakout, and then yeah, non-farm payroll is one of the most widely watched economic indicators, and when you have something like that coming up, big news that comes up later on tomorrow morning. This is ADP, and I'll just get rid of all these medium custom forecasts, previous. Oh, let's just go back to the front. I don't like this calendar. Let's go to this one here. Right. Okay. So non-farm payroll is coming out 57,000 jobs. The previous number forecast is calling for 80,000 jobs to be created. And it's a very high impact item. It's going to be coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And the whole world's watching this number. And this is the pandemic. We lost like 21,000 jobs. Like, because everybody was out of work, right? We really haven't gone, the range has been very small. But they're expecting more jobs to be created. And usually that creates a lot of volatility in the market. So that's why the liquidity is lower than usual. And that's why you see all these choppy markets. So don't think every day is like this. Usually the day before non-farm payroll can be like this. It could be like that, right? We can go through the pound CAD, not a dollar Swiss, not a euro pound. You want to trade this one? Oh, it's a dollar basket. Can't trade that one. Okay, euro Swiss, and it's kind of sloppy, choppy. Yeah, New York should be on fire tomorrow. It's a little early for me. The news comes at 5:30 a.m. Pacific time. But for those of you who are on the East Coast, it's going to be what you might want to do is wait to about like 30 minutes after the announcement before actually going into a trade, because it'll probably be really whipsawy, really wide ranging bars. Then after 30 minutes, it'll settle down and then price will move. Oh, somebody's saying, oh, no. Okay. Hi, Lisa. It's good to see you. You can turn your camera on. You can show us Bora Bora. It's not Bora Boring like this market is. Oh, it's Bali. Oh, you're home now. Okay. I'm glad you made it back safe. What currency does Bali use? Oh, Indonesian rupee. That's not INR. It's not, and that's not Thailand. That's different. It's like Thai baht. They use a rupee. Cool. Very cool. Okay. All right, guys. I have nothing is really seeing. We got some initial good vibes out of gold, and then Kiwi Cat There you go. That's an oddball. Like, scrape the bottom of the barrel here. Let's get down to the bottom of the. What does TRGET? Thomson's Reuters Commodity Index. Okay, I'm game. Can we trade it? No. 15-minute. No. But the used to be CRB index. That's probably because of oil making up the index. Kiwi yen. Oh wow, look at how spiky that is. That's like picking up a porcupine or blowfish. Blowfish sushi. Sushi to die for. Yeah, people like the blowfish sushi, but that there's a little membrane that will, like, if they cut it the wrong way and they leave it in there, you'll die. And there was so they had a restaurant around here called Blowfish Sushi to die for. They're out of business. Apparently that marketing, what sounds clever for marketing, may not be or clever as a joke, may not be clever for marketing. Yeah, I mean, when price breaks out to an old low and just bounces back, that doesn't give you a lot of confidence. We are below the 200 and the 50 moving average, but I mean, look at that. He's got, every time it's gone here, it's actually gone up, right? So every time we've gotten in this area, so if anything, a counter trend scalp would be to buy this with a stop below, but that's not part of the strategy, right? EuroCAD. Look at that here. Okay. Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie. That actually looks like it's coming back. It's still so much overhead, so much overhanging resistance. I mean, the layers of resistance on this thing is like here. You like, there's that and all that and all this. And it just can't get out of its own way. Swiss yen, something clean. If we broke out of here, we would probably retrace all that back here. It'd be huge. But we're capped by the 200 and the channel. We haven't even gotten out. This is spending all session. It's spent inside the box and it hasn't gotten out. But if it could, all this would be game. If it ever broke out. Doesn't look like it has momentum to break out. Pound yen still hanging around. I mean, there's just so much support. I mean, there's like levels and devils, right? I mean, it has a -3 score, but when I see a breakout, I want to see it. I don't want to see like it's like like dating someone and their ex-boyfriend is like still living with them, It's like all this baggage is back here, right? You don't have a clean break where this thing kind of coiled. The tighter the coil, usually the nicer, the smoother the break, right? If you have a tight, relatively tight, then it just breaks. But this is messy. Let's check back with gold. And gold is actually giving us a sell signal, right? But again, we've got lots of support where we've hit this area and shot up. Is there enough momentum to bust through these areas or get to this area? That's 223. So that's like $11, an $11 move, 11 pip move. 11 pip move with your oscillator that's oversold. This thing could snap back. Right. Could be a 1, choppy 2. Oh, no, it's just trying to come on down. Guys, if you guys don't see anything, I think we should just go ahead and close up shop and come back on Tuesday. So let's go ahead and do that. Or you're always welcome to London session. Remember, you always have at least three sessions. You have Tokyo, we have London coming up, and then we have New York. But remember, there's news New York at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And so, I mean, you look at an hour later, you'll be fine. Okay, but just be careful out there. Okay, guys. Peace and pips. Talk to you later. Bye.